Sadly, some of the most bitter, ugly legal disputes occur in family law. In many cases, the parties in the dispute are not merely engaged in disagreements about the law, they are in deep personal grief or expressing deep personal anger at the end of their relationship. Matters which should be about protecting the rights of children to the best possible relationship with both parents, or about the sensible and equitable distribution of marital property, can very easily become awful fights where the purpose of each party is to inflict as much harm as possible on the other party, whether it be emotional or financial. Many of these family law proceedings are conducted by self-represented litigants, which only serves to make things worse. But where proceedings are conducted by lawyers, one role of the lawyers is to ensure, as much as possible, that the proceedings focus on the actual issues. Unfortunately, in Pencious and Pencious, the whole matter got way out of hand. The husband in the matter felt that the wife's solicitors had been conducting themselves inappropriately, and he sought to have them dismissed from the case so they could no longer act for her. The court accepted as a general principle that it did have the right to regulate the behaviour of practitioners. Justice Cronin said, "Courts dealing with family disputes are entitled to expect that legal practitioners conducting litigation will not abuse or manipulate processes of the court. Those processes are designed to achieve an outcome in a parenting case which is in the best interests of the children. In the case of a financial matter, it is about achieving a just and equitable outcome for both parties. It is inconsistent with the administration of justice that legal practitioners are anything other than honest and candid with the court. The legal profession itself has set standards for its members, and the court supports those. They are a guide and of assistance in this case." In this case, however, the husband's complaints, which included complaints made by the solicitors about one another, amounted to nothing. The husband himself was considered to be a completely unreliable witness, and the judge found that any errors made by the lawyers were innocent and minor. From this case, however, we learn that solicitors are there for the assistance of the court, and they should not be dragged personally into their clients' disputes.